Start off this morning by taking a look at the KTVO sky cam located on top of the Samaritan Hospital in Macon. Look at that fog. It's very dense out there, so definitely if you have to travel over the next few hours, have those low beams on. And also there are some areas that are dealing with some freezing fog, so there may be some slick spots out on the roadways as well. But as the kids are heading off to school tomorrow morning, we're looking at sunny and breezy conditions as they're getting dropped off at school with temperatures right around 60 degrees. So if they can, maybe have them pack those sunglasses as they're heading to school tomorrow morning and have them with them throughout the day tomorrow, as we're going to get opportunities to do all that yard work that you may have put off over the weekend due to the rain that we saw Friday night into Saturday. However, I would highly recommend getting it done tomorrow, Wednesday, and for most of Thursday. But by Friday, that heat and humidity is really going to be creeping back into the viewing area. Timing it out for you, starting around 8 o'clock tonight, we'll see these showers and storms move eastward into our viewing area throughout the overnight hours. Any strong storm that develops will be developing when they initially arrive across the heartland, but then by the time we reach about 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, most of these showers and storms will be weakening, and they have those snow blowers ready to go. As take a look at these snow totals, we are still looking at a possible 4 to 8 inches of snowfall here across the viewing area. Once again, if the track shifts a little northward or a little southward of that low pressure system that's well off to the southwest right now, we could be seeing lower or higher totals here across the viewing area. So we'll definitely keep you updated over the next couple days here at the Storm Team 3 Weather Center.
It's just hard to believe after the day we had today, we're now talking about snow.
We saw temperatures in the 60s today, and now we're talking about snow. So yes, it's what you can expect in the heartland, I guess.
Exactly. Thanks, Matt.
It was a fantastic Labor Day across the heartland. However, tomorrow we're looking at a mild day as well as some breezy conditions to move into the viewing area. But by midweek, we're looking at a couple cool overnights for the heartland. And are there any rain chances over the next several days for the viewing area? Well, I'll have that answer coming up in a little bit. But let's start off this evening by taking a look at the KTVO sky cam located on top of the Kirksville City Hall, brought to you by Heritage House Realty. By 7 o'clock tonight, we're still going to see plentiful sunshine and temperatures around 78 degrees at 7 o'clock tonight. By 9 o'clock, we're going to see clear skies and temperatures fall into the lower 70s. And by 11 o'clock tonight, we're going to see temperatures fall to around 70 degrees under clear skies as well. But tonight's going to be a mild night across the heartland compared to the past few that we've had over the past couple of days. We are looking at temperatures only falling to around 67 degrees across the viewing area with mostly clear skies. So yes, it will be a mild night ahead. So you may want to turn that air conditioning back on tonight. But those winds tonight will be light from the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, but wind speeds are going to be increasing throughout the overnight hours and morning hours as you trudge on through our Tuesday across the heartland. But as the kids are heading back to school tomorrow, as they're getting dropped off at school, we're looking at plentiful sunshine and temperatures around 70 degrees as they're getting dropped off at school. By lunchtime, we'll see a few passing clouds across the viewing area, but temperatures already warming to the lower 80s by that point. And then by the time they're heading home from school, we're going to see plentiful sunshine once again. Those clouds will be long gone, and we'll see temperatures warm to around 85 degrees by the time they're heading home from school. For your Tuesday, we are looking at highs topping out around 86 degrees across the heartland with lots of sunshine once again. So remember to have those sunglasses handy. However, if you wear a hat outside tomorrow, you may want to hold on to it tight as we're going to be seeing wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour throughout the day tomorrow. Those winds during the morning hours will start off from the south-southwest, but by tomorrow afternoon, after a cold front swings across the viewing area, those winds will be coming from the west-northwest. So just how strong of wind gusts can we expect throughout the day tomorrow across the heartland? So timing that out for you. Starting around midnight, we'll see wind gusts anywhere between 15 to 20 miles per hour. But as we trudge through the morning hours tomorrow, we're going to see wind gusts increase to about 25 to 30 miles per hour across the heartland. And notice as this cold front swings across the viewing area, the wind direction is going to be changing as well, meaning cooler and more comfortable weather will be returning to the heartland by tomorrow evening. So about this time tomorrow night, it's going to feel awesome outside across the heartland. And beyond that, we're looking at one more breezy day for Wednesday before we see those winds finally calm down. However, if you get garbage picked up tomorrow, you're definitely going to want to bring that garbage can back inside as quick as possible with those gusty winds, or else you're looking at your can possibly getting tipped over tomorrow due to those wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour throughout the day tomorrow. However, tomorrow we are also looking at a slightly muggy day across the heartland with dew points around the mid 60s for most areas. But once that cold front sways across the viewing area, we're looking at dew points drastically dropping into the low to mid 50s through Friday, but then by the weekend, we're looking at dew points returning to the lower 60s across the heartland. And taking a look at the rest of the work week for the heartland, for Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to see highs in the upper 70s. But take a look at that. Wednesday night and Thursday night, we're looking at overnight lows in the low to mid 50s before overnight lows return to the 60s by this weekend. And we're going to see highs return to the 80s on Friday and approaching 90 degrees 1 week from today. As always, you can stay updated 24/7 at ktvo.com. Ashley, back to you.